Guys, are you guys hungry? What do you want to eat?
I'm kind of craving IKEA meatballs.
Same.
Ooh, you know what? Let's just go lah.
Psych! Actually, today we're gonna tell you about how IKEA Cheras is energy efficient. In 2012, IKEA announced their sustainability strategy called People and Planet Positive. Since then, IKEA has been accredited by Green Building Index with Gold and is the first store in Malaysia to achieve LEED Gold. You guys want to know more, right? Follow me! The weather has been so bad lately, but it's surprisingly cool in here.
I know, right?
Well, that's because IKEA Cheras provides sufficient outdoor air ventilation for all enclosed occupied spaces. To reduce the energy consumption, the air supply outdoors is constantly regulated whenever occupancy is low. Variable speed drive motors in all major fans were used for airflow modulation to further reduce electrical consumption by 33%.
Yo, the lights are always so bright in IKEA. Because IKEA uses energy-efficient LED lights throughout the store, including its warehouse and car parks area. The lights genuinely uses minimal energy since only 5% is converted into heat, whereas the rest of the 95% to light. It reduces not only the direct energy usage but also the cooling demand on air conditioning, as it does not radiate heat. It does not stop there. LED lights used in office and warehouse are automatically controlled by follow sensors and occupancy sensors to save more energy. But we've been talking about energy saving this, energy saving that, but what gives IKEA energy?
I think I know, guys. Let's go.
See you on the roof!
Ta-da! Do you guys see this sea of solar panels? Isn't it awesome? This is what the largest solar photovoltaic PV system installation in a building in Malaysia looks like. This solar PV installation produces 890,000 kilowatt per hour of electricity per year, which help reduce 9 to 10% of the store's energy consumption. You guys might be wondering, is the 9 to 10% small? But do you guys know that 1 kilowatt per hour is enough for you to watch television for 10 hours straight? Then IKEA can watch for 8.9 million hours. That's crazy.
Other than solar panels, IKEA's rainwater harvesting system also collects and reuses rainwater to be used, not only for watering their precious plants. Also, the rainwater harvesting system reduces the dependency on public potable water through having a tank that can collect 135 liters. But how does it work?
Well, IKEA Cheras managed to save the water used for the cooling tower by reducing cooling loads. The selections of water-efficient fixtures in the toilet, taps, flush valves, the urinals also contributes to the water saving by more than 50%. Effective, I might say, because the big tank actually also harvests around 2 million liters of rainwater annually. Then, it is filtered, and ta-da! Reusable water for everyone in the building!
So, what do you guys think? Isn't IKEA like crazy efficient? You know, with the solar panels, LED lights, cool ventilation, and even rainwater harvesting.
You guys should definitely check out IKEA when you're in the area.
Yes, don't forget to try the meatballs. It's crazy delicious.
Bye!
I don't want your love. Don't come to me now. I don't want your love.